This is your boy Black Ice, and I'm live here at Buffet City in Chicago, and I'm standing here with Loretta and her daughter Neek, Shaniqua, and they just witnessed Poet on stage for the first time, first event, first ever. They came out, and Sister Loretta, they look like sisters, y'all. They really do. Listen, tell the people who are watching, honestly, in your heart, what you thought about tonight's event.
I was overwhelmed with gratitude, overwhelmed with impressive spoken word from my brothers and my sisters, and I highly recommend that if you haven't been here, you need to be here. I was very impressed.
Absolutely. And what's that in your arm right there? She bought a Poet shirt. Both of them.
And I bought like 6 CDs.
And she bought like 6 CDs. Look, y'all, that's what you call major support. Neek, she's a writer. She's a lover of poetry. Tell me what tonight did for you, Neek.
Tonight inspired me, definitely inspired me to do things that I need to, that I've been needing to, that I haven't been doing. I appreciate it to the utmost. I recommend it to everybody. Watch anybody that's writing. You don't feel confident in yourself, you need to, because we can do it. And
that's right.
Tonight showed me that ain't no limit. So I really appreciate that from Black Ice, and I can't wait to hear it.
Absolutely. And look, we look forward to you, Neek, sharing the mic with us. And Sister Loretta, we look forward to seeing you again. Thank you for coming out so much from the bottom of my heart, and on behalf of Poet and Black Ice Production, thank you all so much.
You're welcome.